In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change Xbox controls to PS4 for Steam games. By the end, your game should show PlayStation-style button prompts and layout, so you'll see symbols like cross and circle instead of A and B. Start by opening the Steam app on your PC. At the top left, open the Steam menu and choose Settings. In the Settings window, head to the Controller section, then click General Controller Settings. This is where Steam decides how to translate your controller inputs. Make sure PlayStation configuration support is checked. That tells Steam to recognize and display PlayStation-style prompts whenever possible. If you have an Xbox controller connected and you don't want Xbox prompts getting in the way, uncheck Xbox configuration support. This prevents Steam from forcing the ABXY layout across your games. Next, go to your library and find the game you want to adjust. Right-click the game and select Properties. In the Properties window, open the Controller tab. Under Steam Input per Game Setting, choose Disable Steam Input. Disabling Steam Input for that specific game stops Steam from automatically applying the Xbox mapping and leaves room for PlayStation-style icons to show up if the game supports them. This per game setting is useful because not every title behaves the same way, and it keeps your changes scoped to just the game you're working on. If you want to fine-tune things further, click Manage Controller Layout from that same area. Here, you can manually customize the button mapping to align with the PS4 layout. This is especially handy if a game's default mapping doesn't line up with the prompts you expect. Take a moment to confirm the major actions jump, interact, and menu match where you want them on a PS4 style scheme, then save your layout. Close the Properties window and launch the game. You should now see PS4 buttons and a PlayStation style layout in-game. If the prompts don't update right away, return to the settings you changed and confirm that PlayStation configuration support is enabled and Xbox configuration support is disabled, and that Steam input is turned off for that particular game. Also, make sure no third-party remapping tools are running, as they can override Steam's behavior. Repeat these steps for any other games you want to switch to PS4 controls. Because the Steam input setting is per game, applying the same workflow ensures consistent results across your library. That's it. Thanks for watching.